Hello, everybody. I hope you had a great first day of school. Miss Gladden and I do not have courses in Schoology, but we are meeting with our students every day. So we need your help. We need everyone to add a Teams link to your Schoology page for both library and guidance class. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do this. So the very first step is to open your Schoology page and go to courses. From there, you're going to click on your class course. Like I said, I don't have a class course, so I'm just going to click on this one that says Maker Monday. It was a summer course that I had just so I can show you what to do on your course. So once you have clicked on your course, you are going to add materials. You're going to select add a page. You can title it something along the lines of library class or guidance class. I'm just making this one up. This is an example. Every Monday from 12:30 to 1. I'm going to send you that information if you don't know it. This information is also on the related arts schedule that you were emailed. From here, in this middle box, what you'll need to do is I'm going to email you a link. And in that link, this is another example that I sent to Miss Delius. Once you have the link, you're going to copy and paste this link. So highlight, copy, and you'll go back to the Schoology page and paste it. Once you're there, if you can go down to options and select right here where it says display on a new page, that will make it easier for the students to see without having to click anything else. And the last step is to hit create. Once you have went through these steps, all they'll have to do is click that link on the right day and right time, and we will be connected. So thank you for your help.